Hello everyone. Today we're going to see in this video the whole process of doing the chrome effect using an airbrush. First, we're going to draw the letters. Then we are going to mask and cut. Following that, we're going to add color. On the top, we have the sky tones, and on the bottom, the earth tones divided by the horizon. And finally, on the sides, we have the reflection of the blue sky and the earth tones, which all together make the chrome effect. All these on a slang expression, interpreters rock, because we want to tell to all the interpreters out there that you are awesome. This is for you guys. Hope you like it.